I wanted to show you how I'm making these bird legs and feet. This is one I just finished this morning. Approximately 5 inches long. And I want to bend it something in this shape. Put it in the vise like so. I think this first one I'll get kind of close to 90 degrees. That's not real close. Of course, you can use a hammer. I think that's a little too much. Oops. Yeah. It's fairly close. This top part is a little fairly close to right angles, so I want to weld this right on top of it. Like that. I got it all cleaned up, so hopefully it's a little tricky because it's easy to cut through the wires. So one thing I did was pound on it so there's no gap right here. I figure that's less chance of it burning through one of the wires. Let me show you how I made this one. Looks like I got about 3 1/4 inches. And this is just some metal wire. I think it's fencing wire or something. Well, you want the ends to end up in the middle, and that's a little tricky. So I try to make kind of a circle. Bringing them around like that. Then I take my pliers. And just kind of squeeze them together. And try to keep the ends straight. Like that. And I hammer this flat so there's no gap between it. Alright, once I got it like that, then I grab it really hard with the channel locks. I'll kind of spread them apart a little bit. I just start at the end. Once I get it about like that, then I come back and kind of bend it up right about like that. So it looks like that. Alright, let's try the other one. There you go. And this one on the underneath here, it's good to kind of bend this end up because it's starting to make a curve there already. So I like to come here like this and bend it up a little bit. Okay, I got it all set up for welding. I got it sitting approximately where I want it, but I don't want to put that here yet. because this is so much thicker, I want to heat this up real good first before I get that other part anywhere near there. I got a moderate flame here. I don't want too much heat. I want to kind of sneak up on it. When it starts looking a little bit wet, it starts getting shiny. I start heating up the small piece. Stuck there. I don't want it right there. Or right there. Now it's wanting to really stick. I think we'll have to go right here. That looks pretty good. We can see that. I like to hit it with the hammer and make sure there's no slag underneath here. It's gonna be something just about like that. Now that I got them on there, I can shape them better. I got a little mock-up board here. So then it should look something like that. Ooh. Okay. Alright, that's how I'm making my feet and legs for my woodpecker whirligig. Sure appreciate you stopping by. Take care. I'll see you down the trail. Bye now.